Okay, hello guys. The video, um, first video. This video should be a good one. So, I'm not sure if it'll work, but it should. Yes, I know it would work.
Baby on board.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Don't see any trains yet. With that big truck, I can't even see. I don't think we're to the tracks yet. But I might be able to see a train if it came. No, I don't think I would. Oh, stop. Oh, that was so close. Almost ran the red light in the game. That was so close to the game. This is where I saw the sand and W train. Oh man. That was a long yellow light. So long Here we go. Rain coming. That car behind us has his lights on.
Yeah, bright lights, like it's nighttime out or something.
Yeah. Do we have our lights on?
No.
Yeah. We don't need no lights. Why do all the cars have their lights on?
I don't know. Oh, I see a headlight. Is that a headlight?
Yeah, me too. Of a BNSF, perhaps. For those of you who don't know what perhaps means on my channel, it means like maybe, like it could be BNSF. So that's what perhaps means. But I'm pretty sure that is BNSF. Because I'm pretty sure that was like, because it kind of showed a little bit, and I think it showed a little orange, like a BNSF. Let's see, oh, not UP, but what's that second logo? Is that again UP?
So, it might be something.
No.
No?
No, it's definitely not Sims. There's the locomotive. I'm counting how to exit the game. It is, I think it's no UP. It might be a CSX. It's or is it Operation Lifesaver? It's definitely not UP. Yeah, I think there's that Chicago Northwestern. That's Chicago Northwestern.
No way.
Yeah, that is.
Awesome.
Yeah, it doesn't say Operation Lifesaver anywhere, so that's Chicago Northwestern. Actually, that might be Operation Lifesaver. That's an Operation Lifesaver unit. Well, guys,
Yeah.
thanks for watching.